Hi guys, so today we're gonna have some bumping. We're gonna do jet ski and
That's good though. Hey, boy. Another day. Welcome today. I don't know. Today we're going for. Where are we going? Jet skiing and we're doing water things today. We're going for a yacht thingy. Let's go. Okay. Cut. Another day, another adventure. We are back in Dubai today. Can't wait. We are going for a yacht ride. We are checking out the yacht and then jet skiing. Let us go into the water when the water's so blue. Nami.
Like your time, Baba.
It doesn't matter where, it's always a good time. Yes.
first destination
For the day.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
So today I am leading you a trip. Everyone know this is a 3-hour yacht tour. We are starting from this marina and going to enter the sea from the west side of Dubai Marina Canal. After the canal you can see the J&D wheel, the Blue Water Island and side of the JBR also. I'm going to stop there for you, taking some nice pictures. After that we are going to directly enter the open sea like Atlantis, Royal Atlantis and Burj Al Arab. After Burj Al Arab we are coming back from inside the Palm Jumeirah. As you can see the Sheikh Mohammed Island and the harbour project, skydive, like that. After that we are coming back to the park. That's our route today. And all the safety measures on board. Only the kids must need to wear the life jacket all over the way. Only the kids? Yeah, below 11. Okay? And if it's necessary, we will provide for everyone all the safety measures on board. Okay? And while we are under the sea, if you want to pass the narrow spaces or you want to go to the open spaces, please hold the railing and don't try to sit over the seat and the railings. Always be safe. We don't want to lose anyone on the seat. That's it. And everyone, please listen carefully. This is a sharing activity. I'm talking about your valuable belongings. Before you leave from on board, please double check everything with you, like a wallet, mobile, IDs. Don't lose anything on board, please. And everyone listen, don't worry about that. We are everyone under monitoring the cameras. Okay? Happy.
Very cute. saka tichapfuura nekunhingikiri kwatakaenda musi uyaka kupalm handi vakumenshena no kupalm Jumeirah kwekwe kwatainzwa nekune private chichichi. I can't wait for us to be on the jet ski. Bye guys, later. That's a really beautiful building there. It's looking like a Dubai frame. Really nice. So this is the interior. There is downstairs there for the staff. There's that part there, the bathrooms. There's juice there, my bag, my son, the sitting area. It's very nice. It's very nice in here. So let's go outside.
I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you play what you doing, it's wrong. I can tell your friends you can do one thing. You like to go slow, you want to go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly.
So it's time for us to snack. Ooh, favorite part of the day. We're gonna eat some nice, some sanglangu. So let's get food.
Spicy or normal?
Not spicy, normal. Okay, boss. Let me eat. Cheers.
A pretty girl from Joburg, see me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make it feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Only got a nigga calling on me. Cause I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in your head. Make this stick up, I wanna put it in the rim. Wanna get a deep, I serve it like a dealer. Gripping up, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no relief. Up every picture, I'm part of ride. Shit, tell me you know.
This is nice. The white and blue is really nice.
I didn't love you, babe, what would I do?
Just look at the construction that's going on out here. Omanaka. Hey, Zimbabwe, my friend. Zimbabwe, what did teacher say? Go Zimbabwe. 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 Yes. Go, daddy. Hey.
Go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I'll be nice things. Slide city, slide. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So one of these house to bed. I know it's gonna make you bed. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you?
Yeah, very unique. Yeah, I want. And then just I know that. Akuneta, abapride. Yeah. Hey, I need to GoPro. I don't get to film. Next time, but no, I couldn't do that with you. When we are going to Batram Kamaoko. Bye, friendy. Bye, friendy. Bye, friendy. We are done. Number time, how was the experience? You're tired, but did you enjoy it?
I did enjoy it.
Sorry, my babe. We are done with our enjoyment.
No.
Nami, how was it?
Fine.
How was it?
It was super.
Woo!
John.
Pride. How was it? Let me get my shoes and vamos. Thank you so much.
Samsung.